Hey guys, hope you are doing well. It's the start of the month, so naturally it's a time to discuss jobs in the UK that offer sponsorship, many of which will allow you to move to UK very soon. And in some cases, even take along your family where you will have to be quick. So without wasting any more time, let's discuss it. So here is the thing. It's no secret, like many countries, the UK does plan on slowing down hiring of foreign workers over the next decade. Over time, industries which frequently hire from outside the UK will be analyzed IET and all efforts will be made to train people to fill these roles. In locally, that means two things. One is that they haven't stopped hiring now. So at the moment, the UK companies are still hiring people for skilled jobs in the UK and offering sponsorship, and two, eventually requirements for sponsored jobs will getting tighter and more difficult. So if you want to move now is the best time. Now, to address the first point, we are going to talk about jobs available today. And I will share the top job portals that you should target to get a job. When it comes to the second point, job requirements, which will be tougher, so you can either apply for as many roles as you can right now, or begin with the process of upskilling right away. Now, if you don't know how to upskill, start by doing a Google search for courses or trainings that you can undertake for your role. And many of these trainings are free. Take marketing, for instance. Google offers free courses, and if you head over to Grow Google page, you will see it's not just marketing. They offer courses for so many roles, and it's not just Google. There are courses on hubs, sports, Korea, LinkedIn, and many more. Sometimes you might not have a course that's directly related to the field that you are working in. In that case, consider a related course. A lot of companies will start to look at cutting roles, and if you have multiple skills, you'll be more in demand and probably have a lower possibility of being laid off. For example, if you work in social media marketing, take a course on performance advertising media, for instance, offers a course for this, or of course, you can pick up a course on Skillshare to add that extra weight to your resume. Now, with that, let's head straight into the jobs. There is a healthcare jobs and there is a mixed bag. The mixed bag contains roles from across all industries, but there is one thing for you to keep in mind is that jobs go off really quickly. So if the recruiter receives enough applications, they'll close the job off before the last date holder. Night is looking for an international sonographer. VK Recruitment is looking for a dental technician. Paramist Page Healthcare is looking for a relief paramist in Fife, and they are also looking for a relief paramist in Edinburgh. Riverdale Healthcare is looking for an associate dentist. Bonchcare is looking for a staff nurse for days and nights. Heart Dental Recruitment is looking for a private dentist. Riverdale Healthcare is looking for a regional dentist. Heart Dental Recruitment is looking for an associate dentist, and unnamed company is looking for a registered nurse. Revitell is looking for a private dentist. Animal Trust is looking for a veter surgeon. Barmley Health is looking for a senior nurse. Home Instead is looking for a home care assistant. Statel is looking for a pharmacist. Specsavers is looking for an optometrist. The NHS is looking for a clinical lead occupational therapist. For neurosurgery, they are also looking for a clinical lead occupational therapist for major trauma, and they are looking to hire a highly specialized speech and language therapist. Men's recruitment is looking for a consultant psychiatrist. Now, before we jump into the mixed bag, here is the thing: tons of CVs are actually rejected at the screening phase, even though they are perfect. That's because a large number of employers actually use ATS for the initial screening. So no human HRS reviewing your CV. Instead, there is a program that scans your CV to review whether your CV is a good fit for the job or not based on the keyword that HR provides. Now, if your CV is missing those specific keywords, you are either going to get a rejection mail or no response at all. So to avoid this, ensure your resume contains all the right keywords for your roles, and there are plenty of softwares out there to help you with that. Now, on a mixed bag, Nature's Way Foods is looking for an electrical and mechanical engineer. Premier Engineering is looking for an FPGA engineer. High Finance is looking for an actuarial price consultant. French Resources is looking for an analyst, consultant, and Unnamed Company is looking for a head chef. Ernest Gordon Equipment is looking for an embedded software engineer. Volta Spa in Beauty is looking for a beauty therapist. Running in Price is also looking for a chef. Mama Klava is looking for a Nigerian restaurant manager. Papa John Pizza is looking for an area manager. But apart from that, if you want to land that job, you actually have to go to the website of the employers that you are interested in and visit their career sections and look for openings. They are extremely regularly. That's a wrap. And do not wait too long, as like I told you, laws disappear really quickly over here. So guys, this was all about today's video. For more immigration and travel tips, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for new updates. Thanks for watching and all the best for your application.